Oh, hello people. Today I wanted to show you how to create smooth transition between two polygons. When we copy plane in edit mode, you just have to subdivide the plane. And we will use the Bsurfaces tool. I can show you how to create smooth transition between two polygons when we blend polygons together. Shift D. I could actually create this. And before I do something further, I just wanted to save the scene. Wait a minute. Blend polygons. Blend file. What I wanted to do, Shift S, cursor to selected. And I use the Vector file to switch to orthographic viewport. We have the Surfaces tool. And I will use annotate tool, add annotation, 3D cursor. Because after that I can convert to curve this. Control Shift Alt C, origin to geometry, Shift X, cursor to selected. But we have to, before I will connect those polygons together, I will probably have to move a little bit. And also curve, I will have to move in edit mode. We also have to clean up our curve. Clean up, decimate. I published before video tutorial, but my old video tutorial is little bit outdated. I will have to get rid of this. No, that was okay. I think that curve seems to be okay. What I wanted to turn off are handles, so you won't see. If you want to turn this off completely, you can select all if you want them to be visible, or you can select none. I will have to switch to vertex. Don't select this because this will rotate your curve. We don't want that. Shift S, cursor to selected, and now we can copy. We will copy in a minute. And 3D cursor. Shift D. Shift D. This tool works perfect, in my opinion, because I wanted to publish updated video tutorial. Also, I want to modify this a little bit. After performing that operation, we can turn this on. We can resize handle. I should really scale this people. Because I wanted to show you possibilities of the Surfaces tool. I have to make sure that shape is looking good. Okay. Wait a minute, I just have to check temperature of my graphics card because it was 44 plus degrees before. Okay, now next step will be selecting our vertices in proper order. Then after that, we will have to choose mesh and curve. And voila, we have already polygon. You can see we have connected our polygon according to shape of the curve. I hope you like my video tutorial. Stretch does not apply here because we don't have open loop, open curve. I hope you liked this video tutorial. I will show you another technique how to generate interesting shape by using curves when you work with Bsurfaces tool.